7 Remedies for urinary tract infections. A urinary infection can occur as a result of bacteria, by waiting too long to empty the bladder, by sexual relations, by pregnancy or menopause, among other things. The most common symptoms include the frequent need to urinate, small amounts of urine, a burning sensation when urinating, change in color of the urine, abdominal pain, fever, nausea, and vomiting. It is very important to act early, at the first sign of a urinary tract infection in order to prevent more serious damage to the kidneys. Although it is good to consult with your doctor, there are some homemade treatments which can help you to fight this problem. 1. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a rich source of enzymes, potassium, and other minerals that can help to inhibit the growth of bacteria in the urinary tract to stop an infection. To treat an infection of this type, you can use apple cider vinegar as an alternative to pharmaceutical antibiotics. 2. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice has antibiotic properties that help to prevent the bacteria E. coli from attaching to the urinary tract and causing infections. It is preferable to drink cranberry juice in its natural state, with no added sugar or additives. 3. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a powerful antibiotic effect that can remove the bacteria that cause bladder infections and urinary infections. 4. Horsetail tea. Horsetail tea has a powerful diuretic effect that can combat urinary infections. 5. Pomegranate juice. Due to its high content of antioxidants, pomegranate juice can help to fight the bacteria that adheres to the wall of the bladder. It contains an important amount of vitamin C, which fortifies the immune system and helps to fight urinary tract infections. 6. Garlic tea. Garlic is a food with antibiotic and antibacterial properties that can help to fight and prevent the growth of the bacteria responsible for urinary tract infections. 7. Watermelon juice. In addition to being refreshing and purifying, watermelon juice is very good at cleansing the urinary tract and removing the bacteria which can cause infections. Directions. You can extract the juice from a watermelon with an extractor or in the blender. If you prefer, you can simply eat watermelon pieces. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.